In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Squarespace version. This is a simple process that can provide you with the exact details of the version you're using, which is particularly useful when troubleshooting, upgrading, or when you need to know compatibility with certain features. So, let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you're going to want to navigate to Squarespace. Head over to your preferred web browser and enter Squarespace's URL. Once you've reached the Squarespace homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. It's important to ensure that you're on the correct account, especially if you're managing more than one site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a button labeled Get Started on the homepage. Go ahead and click that button. This action will guide you into the dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your website. The dashboard is basically your control center on Squarespace, allowing you to tweak settings to your liking. Now, in the dashboard, look out for a section labeled Website on the sidebar. Under this section, you'll notice an option for Pages. Click on it to move forward. This area is where you can see and manage all the pages of your website. While this may seem like an unrelated step for checking the version, it's a necessary path to access where our version details are located. Finally, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here is where you'll find what you've been looking for: the version number. As of now, you should see that your Squarespace version number is displayed here, like the current version, which is 7.1. This spot is your key indicator and will update whenever there is a new version of Squarespace. This information is crucial because knowing your version can help resolve issues faster, whether you're reaching out to customer support or researching solutions online. Plus, being aware of your version allows you to leverage new features that might be available with the latest updates. And just like that, you now know how to find out which version of Squarespace you're using. Remember, having this information handy can save you a lot of time and effort in managing your site. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips, and let us know in the comments if there are other topics you'd like us to cover.